How to use rewards points on Amazon. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then go to the product you want to purchase and click on Buy Now. After you've clicked on Buy Now, you will find this kind of screen. Select your delivery address. After you've selected your delivery address, you will find this kind of screen. Now in here, select one of your cards. After you've selected your payment method, you will find Apply Your Points by Default when available at the bottom. Simply click on it. After you do that, you can add your billing address and purchase it, and you will get discounts according to your points after you've purchased it. And this is how to use rewards points on Amazon. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.